Hello, RoboTots! Today, we're embarking on another fitness adventure through Super Mario World. Remember, you're part of the action, so stand up and join in.
Hello, it's me, Mario.
Are you ready? Let's jump into that pipe and get started. Our first task is to collect Mario coins to warm up. Run in place and grab as many as you can.
Not so fast, Mario. You're not going anywhere with Princess Peach. She belongs to me. Peaches, 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 peaches. You are mine! So long, Sario.
Oh no! Bowser's captured Princess Peach and taken her to his castle. We gotta save her. But just how do we get there? Let's look at the map.
Whoa! Here we go!
Yuck! A bunch of pesky Goombas are in our way. Let's jump up and down and squash them. Swing your arms, jump up high, and stomp on them. Super big hop on this last one. Way to go! Whoa, those piranha plants are super big. We need a power-up. You've got firepower now. Throw fireballs at the piranha plant. It's working. Well done. Let's keep going.
You'll never rescue Princess Peach. She's mine. Let's see if you can dodge this.
Look out! Bullet bills are coming our way. Duck down if you don't want to get hit. Squat down low to avoid the bullet. You did it! We're gonna need to get a little wet to rescue Princess Peach. Let's dive into the pipe and enter Waterland. Swim up and down to avoid the pufferfish. Slowly move your feet as you circle your arms through the water. Swim faster! That pufferfish is getting closer! Oh no! You got hit! You're miniature Mario now!
Mario, come save me!
Hang on, Princess Peach. We're almost there. It's a mystery box. Let's jump up to find out what's inside. Grab the mushroom if you want to get bigger. Stand up tall and bend over to touch your toes. Get really tall like Big Mario. Now get really small like Miniature Mario. Reach up as high as you can. A superstar power-up! Quick, catch it to run really fast. We're almost at Bowser's castle, but we need to cross this bridge first.
I'm surprised you made it this far, but just how well can you handle the heat?
Watch out for the fireballs! Move back and forth to avoid being roasted. We made it! But this is the hardest level yet. We'll need to use all that we've learned to defeat Bowser. You've been preparing for this. Are you ready? Dodge the fire! Get low and sway left to right. More Goombas are coming our way. You know what to do. Ew, that was a wet one. Now it's time to fight back. Throw those fireballs as fast as you can. Keep it up. Throw faster.
Princess Peach, we were meant to be.
You defeated Bowser. Hooray! Princess Peach is free. Now it's time to celebrate. Show me your best dance moves. Great work, RoboTots! You defeated Bowser and rescued Princess Peach. Remember to always stay active and keep having fun. Until our next adventure.
Peaches, peaches, peaches.